Welcome to the next generation of AbsoluteBMC, the single-spin powerhouse, designed to capture the essence of cellular composition in bone marrow concentrate. Engineered for usability and performance, AbsoluteBMC introduces advanced pipeless processing technology, streamlining every step of preparation. In this video, we will demonstrate the preparation of bone marrow concentrate. To begin, the bone marrow needle and filter must be primed. Heparin solution, 1,000 units per milliliter, is the anticoagulant of choice, but citrate anticoagulant may be used if heparin is unavailable. Aspirate 15 milliliters of heparin into a 60 milliliter syringe and prime the syringe. Remove the stylet from the bone marrow needle, prime the needle, then reinsert the stylet. Next, connect the heparin syringe to the output of the BMA filter and prime the filter by injecting and removing the anticoagulant. Once the priming procedure is complete, leave only 5 milliliters of heparin in each syringe. Using standard technique, aspirate 55 milliliters of bone marrow aspirate into each heparinized syringe. Connect each bone marrow syringe to the in port of the bone marrow filter, then attach a 60 milliliter syringe to the out port. Filter the bone marrow aspirate by injecting it through the filter into the 60 milliliter syringe. Remove the red vented cap from the needleless valve port of each device. To maintain sterility, always swab the port with sterile alcohol before and after accessing it with a sterile syringe or cap. Attach the 60 milliliter bone marrow syringe to the needleless port of each device and slowly inject the anticoagulated bone marrow aspirate. Ensure that each device contains an equal volume before centrifugation. Place both devices in the centrifuge rotor at opposite ends. Follow the protocol settings outlined in the AbsoluteBMC insert. Close the centrifuge lid and press Start. After centrifugation, the bone marrow buffy coat layer will be clearly visible, positioned between the bone marrow plasma and red blood cell layers. Next, attach a sterile 60 milliliter syringe to the needleless port of each device and aspirate the bone marrow plasma, stopping when the red blood cell interface reaches 7 milliliters or the desired volume marker. This step effectively traps the plasma and bone marrow buffy coat layer within the aspirating cone. Finally, attach a 12 milliliter syringe to the needleless port of each device and aspirate 7 milliliters, or the desired amount, of bone marrow cell concentrate. This concludes our processing demonstration for EMSITE's AbsoluteBMC concentrating system. Thank you for choosing EMSITE, where innovation drives regenerative excellence.